Hello everyone. This is the kit of our project. The name of our project is Railway Wagon Controlling and Monitoring. The main objective of our project is to ensure safety of coaches in Indian Railways. Actually, this project has been implemented only in Japan. In India, it has not been yet implemented. And let me explain the project members. The project members are N. Sudarshan, S.D. Prasad and U. Vijayanand. This is the first kit of our project, which is called as engine, and even it can be implemented practically. That is, even in an engine, this type of circuit can also be installed. And this is the second kit, which is the first coach. And coming to the third one, this is the second coach. And like this, infinity number of coaches can also be connected according to the practical application. That is, how many coaches we are installing in a railway system. For that sort, we can just have the same setup with the same connections, and we can make all the sensor work equally like this. Let me then explain the sensors which we have used.
Now this is our engine. Here engine we are using a MEMS. MEMS is used for the tilt angle. If suppose the engine is tilting, it will give the information. Here we are using this 5-volt power supply. We are using step down transformer. Now this is the main power supply we are using. It is going to be connected to the system. Again, if you come here, now this is our C1. C1, it means coach 1. Coach 1, we are putting some sensor. We are having one IR sensor. This IR sensor has been used for the air brake fluid checking. This and another sensor we are using, that is an LDR. This LDR is used for the temperature in the coach. This is this is LDR. LDR we are using for the temperature of the coach. This even can detect fire also. Now this is our coach 3. Coach 3 also we are using brake fluid checking, because IR sensors we are using. This is used for air brake fluid checking. Generally in Indian Railways we are using the air brakes. Again here we are putting here MEMS sensor. MEMS sensor is used for the coach tilting. Suppose while running, if the train is running in position, and suppose if the coach is tilted from one side, it will give the information to the engine. Now these all the engine, the coaches are connected through these pins. Through these all pins we have connected. This is the wired communication, and this link is also used for the coupling. For the coupling between the coaches and the computer, I mean the engine. Engine is having an onboard computer which will give all the informations about what sensors are working. Now for the output, we are going to show our output in system with using Visual Basic.
Yeah, let's now go to the output side, and now I'm going to on the kit. Yeah, all the LEDs are detecting that the kit is on, and this is the coach first, and this is the second coach, where IR sensor, MEMS sensor, and this is the connection between the coaches. And this is the second IR sensor which we have placed in coach 1, and this is the power supply which has been dragged by the step down transformer, and this is the main kit. And coming to the output, let's go to the face of the monitor, where we are going to show the output.
Here we are using Visual Basic 6 for the output. Here we opened, just on it. Oh, I think it's open. Now this is our program, and now we are going to run this program. Now here the TH is used for the temperature heat in the coach, ETA is used for the tilt angle we are using, OC is used for oil contamination, the DR we are using, gas sensor we are using, CT, again ETA. These ETA two values we are we are finding through the MEM sensor. The fire we are also using, the fire sensor will be in the coach 2. Here engine, C1 denotes coach 1, C2 denotes coach 2. And here is the graph for MEMS tilt. The tilting angle will be shown through this graph. Red color is for if it is the negative, and we can see the output.
And here you can see the variations here. That is positive to negative and negative to positive. We have a reference sensor that has been in C2. Yeah, this is being refreshed for the second time, and any variations in the graph will be immediately noted to the engine, and through which the driver can intimate the main control room for stopping the train. And here OC is used for oil contamination, which can just ensure the safety and quality of the brake which is being used in Indian Railways. And the TH, which is used to detect the thermistor heat. It actually shows the internal heat inside the engine, which can directly detect the fire, the presence of fire. And here gas sensor we have used to denote the smoke. Even a small smoke can be detected here. And we also use fire detection, which is directly intimated by LDR. And all the values running here are random values through a proper input side, and through the variations exactly to the sensors, we can predict, or we can have the exact and accurate result in implementing this project in Indian railway system. Basically this system, this apparatus, or this idea is originated only in Japan, but in Indian railways we are not using it. And so this can be implemented in the future, but all the engines should be electrified using electricity, and engine, all the trains are being run by electricity. So implementing this project will not take much complexity. So thank you.